morning and welcome to another edition of Friday's Financial Fitness. Today I want to talk about some portfolio investment strategies. One of the strategies that I've employed over the years with all of our portfolios is in reference to diversification. A little bit further delve into this is something we refer to as correlation. Correlation is how two different investments or groups of investments move together in different periods of time. Something that has a positive correlation moves in a similar direction with two asset classes. For example, oil stocks and gas stocks would probably have a positive correlation because they would move up and down together. Something that has a perfect correlation is considered perfectly correlated. Two assets perfectly correlated has a numerical value of 1.0. On the opposite side is what we refer to as a negative correlation. That is when the assets move in the opposite direction perfectly. Negative asset correlation between two asset classes perfectly would have a numerical value of minus 1.0. For example, small cap stocks and government bonds may have a negative correlation. And then, of course, there is no correlation. In other words, if two asset classes are completely random, they would have a zero or no correlation. For example, large cap growth stocks compared to real estate investment trusts, or better known as REITs, have a negative correlation. But international stocks compared to large cap growth stocks have a positive correlation of 0.5. In other words, about half of the time they move up and down at the same time, and half of the return of the investments is going to be on the other investment. On the other hand, a large cap growth stock to U.S. Treasuries have a negative correlation of 0.47. In other words, if the U.S. stocks are up 2%, U.S. Treasuries may actually be down approximately 1%. While the diversified portfolio is important, understanding how investments are correlated is critical to the construction of a portfolio.